Uzoba nephansi uzomema umphakathi ngekaphathaka baba nomu soka yumkombo namagenga angakithi simema bara asingababe abakithi kodofika late avesi street security ta kwara to selfie kuma ngesuper khoni
tax abagoduke bayemazweni abo where they belong ukulala kwabo eSwartz kubasize ngalutho asibafuni abahambe ha he hi ho hu abahambe we don't need them.
Bawani ungahone ejele awuhoni nangabe unenkinga ama-sinus ungaboshwa yolala etoilet wakhona ungahone ejele ungayenzi lento le ejele uthola abantu abakwatile ababoshiwe rehe babaseleka uma wenza njani it's khalinde damn it futhi wena awumuza lo muntu uyaphupha uthi damn it onizilele kamnandi futhi nawe imele wena ucabanga next yabo so
so manje asize inombolo uyithola kanjani?
Inombolo Bram ngabona ukuthi ibosha zangichaphaza mzana every day mina into mele mangiphethe ibhesuku ngidle nabo.
They said they want to move you to a shelter. Would you be okay?
It's not okay for shelter. It's not okay. He's not a foreigner. I'm a right. Today,
Manika wahambe namanika amanika bo
Manika.
Mawinika.
Hayibo.
Goduka baba yemelika.
The High Court ruling has found that delays by the department could seriously harm Agrimet's business and put jobs at risk.
Thokoza gogo, thokoza sanibasi. Yebo khehlana nami kunjalo khehlana umlungu. Babudokotela babesiza. Banomuhle ngathi khehlana umlungu. Siyathokoza. Usuka nimadoda. Ngizobhulela umlungu ke kuloko. Hawu.
Bungelile ubusika. Amakhalsa angena emlonyeni awufika ezibelenini azone. Angilalanga ebusuku ngikhohlela.
Ngizama ukutshintsha igear lathi anyathela iclash yathi qhu imoto yami igcwele qhu passengers inuka phuqu yo stupid kamnandi
Mara ke bale ko kwala tsela for fun. For fun. For fun. For fun. Come on, guys. Now it's 17. Abantu laba sebenza la. Come on.
It's an agent, you don't think it's
Abantu bayemsebenzini babalezi labantu. Babalezi labantu.
Awuchebi noma yini bani ngemijani yodwa.
Efamba uyabhala acela ba hayi andizubuye. Oyena ulathi cwa. Atshone embonini.
Speaker is enough. Yeah. Oh, ngikhaphela.
Ay, vos la boda. Ay.
Sasa pema yangu.
Hayi sana sine train yekethile. Le kara WhatsApp.
Yo. Hola, prendo my dad. Aku bela time.
No, don't wait now. What you do?
Hey.
Hey, you look like a time.
Ay, bastard.
These guys give a support to this. It's not about eating the food, it's about eating each other. Hey, boy! Guys, listen. I mean, I hope you get the meaning, the right meaning. I hope you get the right meaning. Guys, I'm very, very, very emotional about this. I've never been into witness.
My sister. What did you say your name is? Dominic.
I think you're tired. You must go sleep now.
No. She what? Dominic. Dominic.
Dominic. T-E-M-I-C-K. Dominic.
My bad. Should see the whole show when I say my bad. So
no. If you can't pronounce my name, don't pronounce it. End of discussion.
What's your name again? Okay, for the last time.
Just shut up now. It's not even a joke anymore.
No.
Now, what are you trying to prove? Because you're not even doing anything.
When I the only thing that's stuck in my head is Dominic. So I want you to tell me what your real name is. Okay, maybe
How many times am I supposed to repeat myself? Do I look like a broken record or something?
The other name, because this one is Dominic.
So don't pronounce it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Because it doesn't suit you. Even when you say it, it doesn't sound normal.
Shut up.
So she's when among our president ungavumela insango ibe legal line.
Insango baba is an indigenous. Indigenous. Into emila njenge chili se India. Emila njenge
imbozi yeku podcast iphethe lunch. Nani banana epokothini.
rice chai.
Ubando. Susande. Hamba wena ushonelwa ilanga. Masidakelwa thina. Siyasebenza thina la. Ubalo Rallycron. Shane nto lena nini? Shane nto le.
Sicela ababuye endaweni ezikude uNkulunkulu abaphephise. Abahamba ngengqola zomoya sisho imoto zabo lezi igolodo ukuthi uNkulunkulu abaphephise. Sicelela uSpeaker wethu baba Ngubeni because since akhona empilweni zethu usave kakhulu. Bakahulumeni settlement abakhona kule ndawo from national to province whatever. Ngithi mina ngithi asikhiphe namadimoni. Sihambeni ngohlelo likaNkulunkulu siyabonga kakhulu nawe sesi osinikele platform yazi ngathi uNkulunkulu angakubusisa sicelele imndeni yethu siyayibiyela amakhaya wethu wonke whatever vendetta evela emndenini yethu singaye ema police station singafakelana ama-protection order. Ngiyanicela abazalwane, le program namuhla beyikhuluma nami nawe ukuthi namuhla asiye police station kuyokhulumisana ngama-protection order. Sihlele ema-backyard, mara ngiyazi bamngubeni when it comes to i-service delivery ukhona. Mina ngithi kini inihambe ngomusa, abo-driver bethu konke abakhona sithi nihambe ngomusa. Amen.
Yeah, Lona deserve the award.
Ooh, sexy boy. What muscle? What? Yes, man, boy. Ooh, yeah. Yes. Okay, this is good. This is good. How's it? Ooh, muscle what? Wow.
Yo, ahora la cola box next level. Banda mbo.
Nango TP no speech ke yambona manje inkinga ka TP uslow so uspeech makamba no TP kumele la gijima yambona no fast kanjani ujwayele manje o TP akajwayela mela gijima
fikubili
iyanjonja ke ngokho iyanjonja lanto akwazi uxuvula kanjani ungathenga noba i-self reference file ithi qhwa apha hayi ke hayi yo
reference you know
ya ngithi mina su 200 iskipa seBarcelona la eThekwini uyasifuna yini?
Hayi ke right ayethekwini awungeke hayi
ilezi ayitolo lezi
uyathanda ungichaza nabantu hayi ngeke hayi awu iskipa ngizethekeza mina Total Sports mina ngafuni
ngizokuthi la uba uzobona sizodluzwa lapha ngomgqibelo zizophela lana manje usize bayaphela
hayi ngeke hayi manje bephela hayi
hawu kunani ngiyawujampise nawe khona yabo le bafana esisho su 100 rand ke lesi
iskipa za 2.3 la
su 100 rand lesi bafana esisho
hayi ngeke
yabo le design le yenziwe manje lesathi green athi sinokhola omhlophe su 100 rand
right bakwethu
avunga
awungeke hayi
ayivuma lensizwe
avungabongi
hayi ngeke 200
hayi uncane 200
hayi mncane ngiyabona ngeengubo
oh hayi ngiyakuyeka siyabonga ke ngoba uyabonga zona uyazijabulela ingubo ngiyakuyeka ke
hayi ngeke ufike ngoswadress hayi ngeke bye
bye Tito
ngeke
usukale uzophaphana uzokhala
hayi keeper
usandithanda na zibuze wena lo usandithanda na umntana apha yena umenzani mama umntana apha yena umenzani ngithi mama umntana apha usandithanda na usandithanda na yes or no
usandithanda na a few minutes later
awindoda ha awindoda you
Rich.
So one must go between uScorpion and Nkosi yamagcokama.
Wow, Scorpion. Hey, man, zosayela bazi kwabani njaka. Bakhe uScorpion must go.
Scorpion must go. No manzi but Scorpion must go. Okay. Nkosi yamagcokama
because yebobhaqanga neScorpion ayiwani.
Apha ndiyakuva xa sithi uzosela.
Ale horomani zosela nyana abayani bakubethwa abantu. Ishoka Maskandi nithela ngombhaqanga.
I now invite Honorable Holomisa
Honorable ANC Speaker, Deputy President and members.
Honorable General.
Okay. Tata Mama.
Okay, I'm not an ANC speaker.
Are you a member of ANC?
I am a member, yes, you are right.
All right.
But I am not a speaker of the ANC. I am your speaker, by the way.
Ilinda kuvela inyama negrezi kayibheke epokothweni.
Yebo apha ku TikTok kukho i-competition ne. So le competition kuthiwa umuntu makazichaze ubukhule njani yabo. So sizawina imali. Oh, so sibalisa story sethu yabo. So ke wenza uchaza ke ukumna indlela endikhule ngayo kuba umakhulu wami yabo ndikhulisile yabo. So ke uzawuthetha ke ngokuba umakhulu wami lona ndikhulele kumakhulu wami mama Nshela umakhulu. So ke umakhulu ke ngoku wayendikhuthaza shem ngesikole ba mandiye esikoleni ndithini. Umakhulu sisokole endlini yabo. So kubekho amaxesha silale singatyanga apha endlini.
Thengilo sesonke abantwana bayi8 batye. Ni 8 ngelo fenye.
Simakhulu ke sishare eso sonke. Sometimes bakho xa siye esikoleni apheka ipapa ke ngoku kamilimili asisingenaswekile. Because swekile ayikho yabo. So ke ngoku umakhulu ke ngoku silambe apheka ipapa umakhulu andimase esikoleni. Sitye ipapa noba inaswekile ndingayityi ke mna ke shem ndifuna uxoxa. But uyangake wakekho wesibini uyangake yena wayitya. So mna ndingatyanga. So makhulu sometimes ke amasebe mancinci basasibaninzi ongeza amanzi. Yabo ungathetha nawo makhulu masongeza. Ayikho nto ufuna uyongeza. Ongeza amanzi umakhulu emphoqweni sitye. Sometimes umakhulu ngabikho nokutya sila singatyanga. Amisa amanzi. Apheka imbiza athi upheka imbiza yabo. Iphekwe lo mbiza omakade makhulu pheke amanzi silale singatyanga. So makhulu wayijonga ke wona into yethu wayiphayele quickni yabo. Phayele quick esilungu nokhithu makhulu quick nemali ehamba ke ahamba emsebenzini alale pha emlunguni wakhe. So makhulu ke uthe uyiswa ke ngoyilento yoba sisokola singabantwana basokolayo. Wathatha decision ke wenye imini wathengisa ngomzimba.
Uba uthengisa ngomzimba. Uwe makhulu ngawuthengisa kuba khanda ndathengisa ngomzimba. Ke uthenga ngathi akunangqondo kakhe. Ngithetha bobhanqa okulo makhosha ekwini. Khanda ndimakhosha apha ekwini nefuthe kha. Kha uphambe hen. Ke ayi usile mosipoko. Yabaphekela nabantwana. Khanda ngimakhosha khona. Yakhoka mthetho. Makhulu ba udithi asizuwina. Hayi khalele yedwa ngimakhosha mama. Ngicela ngowina khanda athengisa ngomzimba kakade. Makhulu inyama. Hey juba nyamntoni.
Umagreza went from 0 to 100 in just a second. Utokovezwa nje indaba yobuhosha yu. But umbuzo usamile usandithanda na. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. Until the next one. Sure.